hereby solemnly swear that I will well and faithfully abide with the code of conduct, faithful observance, and respect for law and order at all times. So help me God.
Please keep Superintendent Samuel D. Pagino Jr., our District Director, sir. Members of the command group, our RTD, Police Superintendent Nicolas S. Salvador, sir. Friends, ladies and gentlemen, good evening. The ability to guide and motivate others to follow by role modeling, the willingness to serve others first, and the dedication to consume one's life for a cause are indeed a characteristic of a good leader. The leader is the satellite, a follower of his own people, low enough to feel the tug of his people's pains and aspirations, but high enough to make them look above and beyond himself. Bilang tinatawan ng Marangal Class 2009 Silupay, hayaan niyo muna akong balik tanawin ang mga nakaraan. Ang aking mga kamag-aral na dumanas sa mga paghihirap. Ang ba? Easy. Ang mga classmates na mahirap iwasang umidlip sa loob ng klase dahil lang puyat, pagod mula sa trabaho. Ang pag-uwi ng maaga pagkatapos ng klase dahil kay paring islaw. At ang mga abilidad ng aming mga kamag-aral na may talentong business-minded. Ang mga talento, kapag kami nabubugnot, ay lumalabas pamamagitan ng pagkanta, pagsayaw, at pag-arte. Katulad ng ibang mga class, ay nagdaan din ang class na ito ng mga pagsubok. Nagkaroon ng intriga, ng bahagi o faction, nagkaroon din ng mga pampuhan issue. Pero sa bawat problema, may isang salita na madalas nagagamit ng grupo. Ang salitang, easy, easy, easy. Sa bawat katagang binabanggit, ang lahat ay bihinto, nagkakaisa, nag-uusap. At doon nabuo ang kapatiran. At nagkaroon ng tawag na transparency. Graduation day is the realization of one's dream to acquire education. Education which is never-ending quest for knowledge. You and I, as graduates, have mixed emotions, but it's really a significant occasion. It is indeed a distinct honor that I am in your midst on the top. And honestly, feel I'm walking cloud nine. And on this cloud nine, I'm excited. For you are with me, sharing the single blessedness of success. Of course, honor and success is not mine alone, it's ours. On this opportune time, may I specifically mention them, the person I owe a lot, and to whom I'm very grateful. First and foremost, my family. They are one of the best things the Lord has ever given to me. This, I'm sure, my fellow graduates agree with me. So my dear fellow graduates, let us rise and give a round of applause to our dear family. Please be seated. Secondly, our instructors who have sacrificed for giving us the seed of knowledge. And this knowledge which we acquired from them continue to bloom, bear fruits, and make a good harvest of achievement from generation to generation to generation. Thirdly, to our dear alma mater, the Philippine Public Safety College, the institution that has long been a source of solid foundation of our elder brothers and sisters in uniform, the protectors and law enforcers. Lastly, but mostly, to our dear Lord God, Jesus Christ, the source of our strength and wisdom. For without Him, we are but nothing. My fellow graduates, how shall we live up for a noble expectation? How could we prove our worth? Young leaders as we are, we have a vision. As we have to be aware of the share we must do for good, not only for ourselves, neither for our family, for our institution, but also for our community and country as a whole. Always remember, my dear batchmate, na tayo bilang leader ay madalas nalapitan ng tao. May kapangyarihan at tungkulin din tayong itaas ang kanilang kamalayan, ang kanilang pag-unawa at ang kanilang kaalaman sa mga bagay-bagay upang sila ay maging responsable at produktibong mamamayan. Kaya mga kapo ko, magsipagtapos o nagsipagtapos, grabe po. Lagi natin sa isip na bilang membro ng Public Safety Junior Leadership Course, Class Marangal 2009-05, na tulad ng pagtitiyaga at pagsisikap ng ating mga mahal sa buhay upang tayo ay makapagpatapos sa ating pag-aaral, sana tayo rin ay magtiyaga at magsikap na mapanatiling marangal ang ating panunungkulan sa pamahalaan hanggang sa ating pagretiro. Salamat po.
Thank you po, sir.